Hi friends, this is Lijo. Welcome to Lijo's Media. Today I am introducing new app. Its name is Snapseed. Actually, Snapseed it's a photo editing app and it's designed by Nik Software. Google totally transformed this app. Using this app, we can edit our photographs very professionally. In today's video, I am going to explain how we can use this app and what are the features of this app. So now we can see the features of this app in detail. So this app consists of basic corrections like brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. So we can correct these parameters manually, and automatic adjustment is also there. So this is the basic feature of all photo editing apps. So the next main feature is that normally in any photographic apps, photo editing app, the designer will put some watermark after the final processing of the image. So not good for the user. So this is the main feature of this app. The app will not provide putting any watermark on the final processed image. And the next feature is that it provides a very good output quality. We can get larger files. We can decide the size of the file. So even from 1 MB to 10 MB or 15 MB. So that much output quality we will get using this app. The next feature is that there is one glamour mode is there, one glamour glow mode is there. So in that mode we can smoothen our face, smoothen our skin. If we are editing some portrait photos, so we can get a good smooth skin using this mode. And for editing landscape photos, there is plenty of modes available, like high contrast mode, low contrast mode, EVSO mode, like that different variety of modes are available. So we can do manual adjustments, and we can use these automatic modes. And there is one other feature is that perspective mode. So in perspective mode, what is the purpose of this mode is that suppose we are taking the photograph of a building, and if there is some tilt in that photo, so there is some missing angle is in that photo. So using this mode, we can correct that angle of lens using this mode. So now we can see in detail how to edit one photograph using Snapseed app. Now we can see in detail how to edit one photograph using Snapseed app. So now you can see this green color leaf. This is the icon of Snapseed. So just open. So this is the home screen. So first of all, you have to import the photograph that you need to edit. So just click on this open. So here you can open from device. So here I put one image file. So these are the raw files that I put in my mobile. So first of all, I select the photo. Okay, now you can see the photo is imported to the app. Now now we can see what are the basic features of this app. So you can see this pen button, the pen like button. So in this button, if you click this, we can see the various adjustments. So first one is the tune image. So if you goes to tune image, so there is one button at the bottom side. So in that we can see the various parameters like brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlight, shadow, warmth. So these are some features. So other than that, there is one you can see the one magic wizard. So this is a button for auto correction. Okay, so next we just see this is the details button. So using details we can increase the sharpness of the image. Okay, now there are various types of curves available for like soft contrast, hard contrast, brighten, darken, faded. So there are a lot of curves available, so we can select the curves according to our image. Then white balance feature is available. Then crop, so we can crop our image. Then rotate. These are the basic, these are available in all apps, and this is the main important one, perspective. So using this perspective button, we can change the angle of view of the image like this. So this we can use mainly for applicable for the structures and buildings, not for portrait images. Now selective tool is there, brush tool is there, and this is glamour glow tool. So like that you can see plenty of tools are available. Now we can start how to edit this. So first of all, I am going to edit the basic parameters like brightness, contrast, etc. So for that we have to go to tune image. So first I am going to increase the brightness. Okay, now you can see the brightness is increased. Next some little bit contrast and saturation, ambience, some highlights, then shadow is a very good correction. If you are using this, we can highlight the dark spotted areas in your image, and this is the one. So using this we can increase the yellowishness or blueness of the image. If you increase this one, it will go to the yellow side. If you reduce it, more goes to the blue side. Okay, now let it be in 0. Okay, so now I have done the basic corrections for these photographs. Okay, now I am going to increase the sharpness slightly. So for that you can see I goes to the details page. I just increase a little bit to increase the sharpness. Okay, now I'm going to tell one tip. Suppose in image there is one human body. So we have to suppose the face or the skin color is something blackish or some the highlight it's not highlighted. So there is one selective tool. So using this tool we can select a particular area and we can increase the brightness and other parameters of that area. So like that, suppose if I want to select the face, so I press the plus button and put this icon at this area. Okay, so by using 2 fingers you can increase or decrease the area. Okay, so suppose I selected this face part only, and if I am going to increase the brightness, now you can see the skin color of the face is only increasing. Okay, in the same way, if I have to increase the color of the hand, so just I select the hand and I focus only on hands. So now you can see the color of the hand is increasing. Same way for the legs. Okay, so I increase the brightness of all these 3 areas. Okay, now you can see the total skin color is brightness is increased. Okay, now basically this editing is purely depends on the imagination of the photographer. We can see that we can edit naturally for the natural colors. Otherwise we can do some extraordinary colors to become more beautiful our image. So in this picture I am going to just change the color of this greenery like autumn season. So for that, suppose I again just taken the selective button, okay, and I select this greenery, okay. Now just increase the brightness, okay, and after that there is one brush tool. So in brush tool I am now going to select the temperature, okay. So this is the basic concept of temperature. Suppose if we increase the temperature of particular region, it becomes yellowish color. In the same way, if you decrease the temperature, it becomes a bluish color. So here I am going to increase the temperature. So here using these arrows you can set the temperature value plus 10. Now using fingers we can increase the we have to swipe what all are the areas with that we have to raise the temperature. Now you can see this greenery going to some yellowish color, okay. Now I press OK. So in between, if you want to see our original photo and edited photo, just press on this button. So now you can change how much our photo changed. This is the original raw image and this is the edited image. So now further more corrections needed. So, in selective button I am going to again select this area, and there is one tool is the structure. So structure is that using the structure we can reduce the sharpness, we can smoothen the area. So suppose I select the structure, you can see the effect, okay. So I put it little bit in higher side, and here also there is one head pose is there, you can see. Head pose. Actually this tool you can even change the smile face of the person. You can see what are how the lips are changing if I am increasing this count, okay. So now in this image is not necessary okay. Now there is one vignette tool. So using this tool you can see there is one circle in this image. So if we reduce the figure, the brightness, so outside of this circle it will become darker, and in the same way there is one inner brightness. So if we increase the inner brightness will become more. So here I just reduce the outer brightness to some 76, okay, and I can focus on this kids area, okay. So now we can see what is the effect. The kids area is focused with more brightness and the other areas are little bit darker, okay. Now you can see this is our raw image and how much is transformed using this editing tool. And there is one glamour glow option is there. So using this we can smoothen, you can see how much is smoothened. So you can select according to our taste. So now I selected this it's 48. Now you can see the skin texture is very much smoothened. You see how much is replay. So like this way we can edit our photos in a professional manner. So after editing, if you want to export, for printing purpose, or we have to publish it in social media. So you just press on these three dots. So first of all, in settings we have to decide the image size, the final image size. So here it's 800 pixel to 4000 pixel is available. So suppose I am selecting 2000 pixel. Okay, and the image quality is also available. PNG, JPG 80%, 95%, 100. So suppose I put 100%, and after that you just export this. You can direct save, or you can export, or you can direct using the share button. You can direct publish it in any social media apps. So, but in this case, I am just exporting. So you see the picture is exported. So now we can see. So this is the raw image. This is the edited image. So I hope all you enjoyed this editing, this tutorial. So I hope my viewers will start editing their photograph after viewing this tutorial. So have a nice day. Thank you.